students, I am Ajoy Pal. We are going to start first chapter of geometry of class 10, that is triangle. This class for the student of CBSE, TBSE, WBSE or other boards, and for the benefit of English and Bengali medium students. So let's start. Before starting the chapter, we will discuss about some basic concept of triangle. Look at the board. First of all, we will discuss about similarity. Here PQR is a triangle and also SQT also a triangle. ST line both are parallel. So here this angle equals to this angle T is equal to angle R and Q is common. That is why two triangles in between two triangles corresponding angles are equal. But two area of two triangles are not equal. So this types of two triangles is called similar triangles. Here also, here angle, this one is 50, this one also 50, this one 50, this one 50, and this is 80, this is 80. So these two triangles also area are not equal, but corresponding angles are equal. That is, two triangles are called similar triangle. And now area of triangle. Suppose ADE is a triangle and EF is a height or an altitude, and area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height, half into AD into EF. Similarly, here other triangle BDE. Here BDE, if we draw one altitude from E, but it is not possible draw inside the triangle, therefore this altitude will be extent of dB, and that is EF. So here this EF is outside of the triangle. Then we will write area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base. Here base what? Base is dB into height, that is this altitude. This 90 degree. This is EF. So another thing is, if two triangles, suppose this one is a triangle and this one another triangle. Suppose TEAB. Here DE parallel AB and two triangle ADE, this triangle, and DADB, this triangle, both are this is DAE and DBE, both are in between same two parallel lines and in same base, that is DE. Then area of two triangles, area of triangle DAE or ADE, area of triangle DBE or BDE. Now, today we will discuss Thales Theorem or basic property theorem of triangle. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Suppose, look at the board. Suppose this is a triangle. This is triangle ABC and 2 points, that is DE 2 points, and DE line segment, that is line segment DE parallel BC, then it is to prove that this part by this part is equal to this part by this part, or AD by DE, or AD by DB equals to AG by AE by EC, AE by EC, to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Construction. Now what? This is A, B, C, D, E. We draw perpendicular. Suppose we join BE and DC, and draw EF perpendicular. Draw EF perpendicular on AB and DG perpendicular to AC. Now we will prove this property. This property, we will prove this property. Since, look at the our diagram. ABD is a triangle. AD is a triangle, and EF is altitude or height, EF. Similarly, BD is a triangle, and here also EF. So EF is perpendicular of, or EF is altitude of triangle ADE and triangle BDE. Similarly, DG is also a perpendicular, is a altitude or height of triangle ADE and triangle CED, this triangle. So first one is triangle ADE, that is triangle, area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height, half into base. Here in this triangle or this triangle, base is AD, base AD, height EF. Similarly, area of triangle BDE equals to half into, here base is what? In this triangle, base also DE or BD or DB, into height also here. Now area of triangle BDE, area of triangle BD is equal to half into base is this one, this is DB into height EF. So here first equation is half into area of triangle ADE, this one, area of triangle DBE, this one. So equation 1 divided by equation 2, we get this one, area of this one by area of this one equal to this one part by this part. This one cancel, half cancel, add EF cancel, then we will get only AD by BD. Similarly, in this triangle, this is a height or this is an altitude. So, area of the triangle ADE is equal to half into base, that is AE into height DG. That is half into base into height AE into DG. Similarly, area of triangle CDE or CED, this triangle, base is EC and height is DG. So, area of triangle DEC is equal to half into base into height, that is half into EC into DG. Similarly, area of this triangle by area of this triangle is equal to this part by this part. So, half cancel, DG cancel, that is AE by EC. So, here in this case we get area of triangle. Again here one thing is that this triangle DBDE and triangle DCE, this triangle and this triangle, like that, this triangle and this triangle, both are this triangle BDC and this triangle BDE and this triangle CED, both are same parallel line DE and same parallel line BC. In between same parallel line DE and same parallel line DC, and base are same, that is DE. So we know that in this condition, area of this triangle equals to area of this triangle. So area of DBE is equal to area of DCE. Area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle DEC. So by taking reciprocal, that is 1 by this one, 1 by this one, multiplying both sides by triangle ADE, by triangle area of triangle ADE here, area of triangle ADE here, we get area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE. But we know that this one is equal to what? From here, this one is equal to this area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to AD by BD, and area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC is equal to AE by EC, that is AE by EC. So that is the required condition. We get this condition, so proved. Okay, boys. So next day you will solve your homework, that is converse of basic property theorem. That is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. That is, today's theorem was, if this line and this line is parallel, then AD, this part by this part is equal to this part by this part. Now, this converse theorem is, converse theorem of so what was the basic property theorem? If DE parallel BC, then it is to prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now we will prove converse theorem of this basic property theorem is, if AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, then prove that DE parallel BC, DE parallel BC. Okay, I think your doubt is clear here. Okay, thank you very much.